I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing something really fun. I'm gonna make some Barbie shoes bracelet today. Here I have a bunch of pink beads. I have some more here. And also I have pink Barbie shoes. I'm gonna use these and make some cute Barbie bracelet.
All you need is this. I use this design board because it's easier. And also this cord, the stretchy one. I use this 7.5-inch circle. So it's pretty simple. Basically, you just need to put these beads as you like. Like you can design. And of course, don't forget to put Barbie shoes. Maybe I recommend to put Barbie shoes first. When we put shoes first, it's kind of easier. This is cute. You could just put as you want, there's no rule. So I'm mixing couple different colors in couple different sizes and couple different shapes.
Even they kind of look odd, I started putting them together anyway. I already put the holes on shoes. Usually I use this drill to make the hole like this. Just be careful when you do this. You just need to put one by one, follow the order as you place on the board.
So far, it looks like this. Isn't it already cute? Just keep doing this. Once you decided design, actually these are pretty quick. Now, like this, it's already cute. I think the length is pretty good. And make sure if you could take it off. And now we just need to tie it. Make sure you tie a couple times. That's it.
And you need to cut the extra cord.
Oh my god, how cute is this? Okay, let's make some more. Next one, I'm gonna use different high heel. Oh my god, I really like this one too. This one looks shinier. And I think when I put two of them, it's even cuter. So like I showed you, this is so easy. You can make with any color, in any types. I think I'm gonna definitely wear this at Barbie convention this year.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.